Aloha, my name's Tracy Stott Kelly and I'm a broker with Stott Real Estate Incorporated. Today I'm going to be talking just briefly on choosing properties for a 1031 exchange. Now, our company is on the island of Oahu and we only sell real estate here on the island of Oahu. When I'm selling property here on the island of Oahu and helping someone complete an exchange, I'm often asked, do I have to buy a replacement property here on the island of Oahu? And the answer is no. Likewise, if I'm selling property on the mainland, I can purchase property here in the island of Oahu. So your options are very open. The next question that comes into play is, how do I compile my list for a 1031 exchange? Let's first go back to your list needs to be provided within 45 days after you have closed on your relinquished property. There are basically three general guidelines or rules as of 2016 that people use in compiling their list. The first guideline or rule is called the 3 property rule. Basically, 3 properties no matter what their fair market value. The second option would be the 200% rule. Basically, that's any number of properties as well as the fair market aggregate value does not exceed 200% or 2 times the value of the relinquished property. And the third guideline or rule is called the 95% rule. And basically that's any number of properties without any regard to value, provided 95% of the value of the identified properties is acquired. Now, while you're in escrow on your investment property, these guidelines do not come into play. So you can be putting offers in on properties while your property that you're selling is currently in escrow. Most of our clients, when they're choosing property and completing a 1031 exchange, have utilized the first guideline or the 3 property rule. We would be delighted to talk with you personally about your unique situation. Please call us at 808-254-1515. I'm Tracy Stott Kelly with Stott Real Estate Incorporated, and our family has been helping families since 1978. Aloha.